How to add numbers in Python. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add the numbers in Python. To add numbers in Python, plus operator is used. Let's open the PyCharm and create a new Python file. Numbers example. Adding numbers in Python. X is equal to 10 and Y equal to 20. Print X, print Y. Now run the program. So it is printing the individual numbers. Now we can use sum operator to add these two numbers. X plus Y, and we can print this. Run it and you can see the added value is 30. You can also add the numbers like this. Add these two and print. So it is 40. The sum operator is plus sign in Python, and you can use this to add two numbers. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and examples.